What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to do a speed test comparison between the Y9 2K18 and the A8 2K18. You can see both the devices are in front of me, and let me tell you a few of the specifications for both of these devices. The Y9 is having 4GB of RAM and it is running on Carbon 659 processor, while the A8 is also having 4GB of RAM and it is running on Exynos 7885 processor. And you can see we have the similar set of applications on both of these devices. So I will be doing this speed test in two rounds. The first round will be to check out the time taken by both these devices to complete the speed test, and the next round will be of RAM management. So without any further delay, let's get started and right away start the stopwatch in both these devices and start our speed test. We have started our first round and we are opening the built-in applications, and next up we have the social media applications, and then we have a set of 4 games. Right now both the devices are going great. They have opened their built-in applications and both are on the Facebook, and actually the A8 is taking the lead. Not the Y9 is actually taking the lead. It is moving at a faster rate. So let's see what happens, which device wins this round. So we are actually going very close in both the devices, and the Y9 is on lap set, and here we are going to retrieve a clip of 10 seconds, which is the same length clip in both these devices. And right now we are retrieving this clip, and let's see which device retrieves this faster. And you can see both have actually completed it at the same time, and now we are moving to the Amazon. So both the devices are actually again going head to head, and let's see what happens on the gaming section. We are on the first game, which is the Temple Run 2 in both these devices, and let's see which device loads is faster, and A8 has done it faster. And we are now moving to the next game, which is the color switch in both these devices. Actually I have opened the pinout before the color switch on the Y9, but it does not matter, it is going to be the same results. Actually we are concerned with the time taken by both these devices to load all these applications. So now we are on the final game, which is the Asphalt 8 on both these devices, and they are actually head to head with each other, and let's see which device opens it faster. And you can see A8 again has done it faster, and it has taken a total time of 1 minute and 30 seconds to complete the first round, and the time taken by Y9 is 1 minute and 38 seconds. So there is only a difference of 8 seconds in the first round. So A8 is actually a faster device, it is better optimized, but these results are very close to each other, so we are not going to take into account of such a small difference between these two devices. Now let's just start this next round of RAM management test and see if all these applications which we have opened in the first round are present in the background or not. Actually both the devices are having 4GB of RAM, so they should keep all the applications running in the background, but it is going to be tested. You can see right now both are going great. So let's see what happens. You can see there is not even a single app which is lagging or reopening again. Actually Y9 is reopening, kind of. Lab set was reopened, but it was not complete reopening, so I will just not take into account of this. And again A8 taking advantage of its better optimization. It has completed the test in 2 minutes and 4 seconds, and Y9 on being on slower optimized software, so you can see it has taken a total time of 2 minutes and 27 seconds, and it is because of the lab set which again reloaded. I just noticed that it was reopening again. So in the second round the RAM management is actually better in A8, although both these devices are having 4GB of RAM. Other than this, there is no difference in both these devices. The speed of both these devices is actually very close to each other. The first round was very close. So that's it guys, this was the speed test comparison between both these devices, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.